Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the information regarding Uttar Pradesh NEET UG 2024 counseling. This is the official website page for this UG NEET 2024 counseling. Here you can see different tabs. Now you should click on this about counseling. You can see UP NEET UG brochure and UP NEET PG brochure and counseling schedule for NEET UG for round 1 and also for PG MDS. At present, we are discussing about NEET UG counseling only. That's why we should click on this counseling schedule UP NEET UG 2024 for MBBS and BDS for round 1 process. Here you can see the total schedule they have given, the date of online registration and upload of documents from 20th August 11 a.m. to 24th August 2024 till 11 a.m. The total number of days they have given as 4 days. Next, date of deposition of registration and security money. For this, you have to pay the security deposit amount between 20th August to 24th August till 2 p.m. only. Here we have 5 days. Next, date of merit list declaration. The merit list will be displayed in official website on 24th August 2024. Next, date of online choice filling. This is web options and choice filling from 24th August 2024 to 29th August 2024 till 11 a.m. Total 5 days. Date of allotment result declaration, that should be on 30th August. Next, date of downloading the allotment letters and admission. That is for reporting, they have given totally 6 days from 31st August to 5th September 2024. So this is the complete schedule for round 1 UP NEET 2024 NEET UG counseling for MBBS and BDS admission. So students, you please go through this schedule and you must apply for registration if you have minimum qualifying cutoff score and above. Here you can see different tabs you have. When you click on this registration, you can see this registration UG. Then this page will open. Here you should enter all your details. When you click on this one, you can select NEET UG 2024 counseling. Next, you should enter NEET roll number. Then you should enter NEET application number. These two numbers should be available on your either admit card or scorecard. Next, enter this CAPTCHA in this box. Then you should click on login and then you should enter all the required data. Then this page will open. Here you should fill all these personal details as per NEET data. So here this is NEET registration number, NEET rank, NEET score. Next, student name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender and category. All these data should be filled only based on NEET scorecard. Now you should enter data required for counseling. Here you should select this minority status. You should select whatever you belong to. If you are having any minority status, then you should click on yes, otherwise no. Next, please select religious or linguistic. You should click on here and select whatever the option is suitable for you. Next, qualifying exam passed from. The qualifying examination is 12th standard or any qualifying examination. Next, category. Category means your reservation category. General category, OBC, SC, ST, like that you need to select. Next, subcategory. Subcategory means your caste name, full form you need to write. Okay, or you should select by clicking on this downward arrow. Next, you need to fill all these data based on your correspondence address. House number or flat number you need to write. Next, street name. Next one is locality or area. Next, enter pin code. So here in this page, you need to fill all these data related to your correspondence address only. Okay, that is a present residential address. Then select state, district, enter your email ID, mobile number and select your nodal center. Okay. Next, you should fill all these required educational details as per your counseling, that is intermediate or 10+2. Here they have given English, physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology. For these 4 subjects, you need to fill the required data. Okay, suppose if you take English, the total maximum marks in both years, okay, combinedly. And you should enter the maximum marks in both 11th standard and 12th standard. Suppose if student belongs to CBSE, only you should enter for 100 marks. Here you should enter the maximum marks obtained in both years. Okay. Next, percentage of marks. Similarly, physics, including practicals, you need to enter the maximum marks for both years in qualifying examination, and marks obtained. Similarly, you need to enter percentage marks. Next one, chemistry. The same way, you need to fill biology or biotechnology. So you must be careful in filling all this data. Create your password for choice filling. For web options and choice filling, you need to create your own password. And during password creation, you must satisfy the following conditions. The first one is password must be 8 to 13 character long. The second one is password must have at least one uppercase letter. Okay, that is capital A, B, C, D, like that. And at least one lowercase alphabet, that is a small a, small b, like that. And must have at least one numeric number, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. And at least one special character. Okay. So, and re-enter your created password. Okay. Next one, enter these CAPTCHA numbers. Then you should click on submit. Suppose if you find any mistakes during this application filling, just you go back by clicking on this back to data, and then check whether your data is correct or not, or if any modifications needed, you please change, you please enter the correct data and then submit finally. Right? In this way, you should complete your registration process. Next, after registration completed, pay registration fee for UG. Okay. Here you need to enter your details. Select course. Course is Neet UG Counselling 2024, and enter roll number, application number, and enter CAPTCHA, then login, and then you should pay the registration fee amount. Next, download registration slip UG. Okay. Next, document re-upload UG. So you need to upload the documents required for web counseling. Okay. Next, check verification status UG. After completion of all these stages, you should check your application verification status. Here you need to pay the security fee amount also for Neet UG Counselling. You should click on this link to pay the security deposit amount, and then you should download your security fee receipt for Neet UG Counselling. Clear? After that, for choice filling, you need to click here. Okay. So when you click on this choice filling, this page will open. After completion of the process only, you will get the information in this page. Okay. So this is the total registration, payment, and web options and choice filling process for Uttar Pradesh UP Neet UG 2024 counseling. I hope this video is very helpful for UP state students and also for other state students. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.